this week we are back with another video. Today we are going to be making a Rubik's twist in alternating directions. So this is how we're going to do this today. The first step is to cut a channel down the center of a square bar that I'll be using. I'm using a piece of 1/2" mild steel for this. Then on two opposite corners, I need to cut grooves at a regular interval down the length of the bar. Once that's done, all I need to do is twist it in opposite directions for a cool alternating twist. I am absolutely drenched in sweat right now. That was exhausting, and that's what I get for making a 1.5 foot long twist. But I think it came out all right. It was really tough to keep the angle grinder cut straight here, but I just don't have anyone with me to chisel in lines in the middle. I think it'll be all right. I got a couple of them to be nice and straight. We've got all of our cuts made. So what I'm doing here to get this alternate twist is pouring water on the parts of the bar that I do not want to twist anymore. What this does is it locks the shape of that section of the bar so that the only section that I want to twist gets twisted, allowing me to alternate the direction of this twist. Now that is something to be proud of. Okay, I'm really happy with how this twist came out. It's going to be the centerpiece for a big upcoming project I'm working on, and it came out amazing. I wasn't sure how using an angle grinder to cut those central grooves would work out, but I think it worked out great. Okay, that's all I have for you this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing if you did, and I will see you next week. Bye!